Hello everyone, this is Suparna. Welcome to my channel Picky Pops. Christmas is around the corner. Everyone is happy and joyful. Today we'll make a DIY decoration which will light up your room. And it's very easy to make. We have used very simple material which is available at home. Like we have used wool and balloon to make the dome of the Christmas decoration. Then we have used a pipe cleaner. And we have used bottle cleaner. Let's make it. We'll take a bowl and add Fevicol and water in the ratio of 2:1. We'll soak wool in the mixture and then we'll blow a balloon and secure it with a knot. Now we'll tie one end of the wool with a knot and start rotating it around the balloon so that there are no gaps left. This looks good. I have used two wools of different color. It's completely up to you. Again, in the same manner, we'll add water and Fevicol into the ratio of 2:1. We'll soak the wool and wrap it around the balloon. I have left a portion which I'll cut off. Let it dry in sunlight. When it's completely dry, we'll cut off the portion and our dome will be almost ready. To seal the sides, the edges of the dome, I have used silver glitter sheet to seal the edges of the dome. So you can also do the same. We have to cut thin strips of silver foam sheet and paste it with the help of glue stick. We have to paste the strips from inside as well as from the outside. As you see, I have pasted from inside and outside. Now I'll cut out the extra wool which is visible to us, and I'll use a silver pipe cleaner to finish the look of the dome. It will give a very clean and neat look. Here you go, it's done. Now we'll make the Christmas tree using an old bottle cleaner. We'll cut it using a wire cutter. The height can be adjusted according to the size of your dome. Now we'll chop off the bristles to give the shape of a tree. This is really fun. Now we'll decorate our Christmas tree with star and pom-poms and any other decoration which you have. Doesn't it look so fun? Do give a try. My daughter loved doing this. This part is our favorite. Pasting colorful pom-poms and stars. My favorite. The Christmas tree is ready. Can anyone say this is made from a pipe cleaner? Finally, we'll start assembling over all the elements. We'll paste the Christmas tree. We'll see where our Santa will fit. We'll fill the dome with cotton wool. This will also give a nice shape. Now we'll fix our Santa Claus. If your Santa is not of this height, you can also fix it inside the dome. It will also look very pretty. In the base, we'll need some cotton, and we'll also fix few gifts below our Christmas tree. If you have pine cone, you can add it. To make a sturdy base, I'm using an old lid, pasting cotton over it, and then pasting our whole art piece over it. Okay, our last gift goes in. Now we need a stick for our Santa. I'll use a pipe cleaner, twist it, and just give a shape of a stick and paste it. Isn't it pretty? You can add LED lights like I have done, and it will really light up your room. Merry Christmas, everyone! Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.